read Shurley message exercise 2 through 5, and this will be part 2. So put a slash to separate each run-on sentence below. Then correct the run-on sentence by rewriting them as indicated by the labels in parentheses at the end of the sentence. So number 1, he is reading, he never looks up. So where does our backslash need to go? Between reading and he. Okay, so then they want us to make it a complex sentence, and they have a number 1 there. So when it says number 1, they want you to use the word that they have in parentheses at the front of your rewriting of the sentence, okay? If it says 2, they want you to use the word where the backslash is. So in this case, they gave us the 1. So do they want it at the front or at the backslash? At the front. So I'm going to say when he is reading. Now, I came across that backslash, and since I already used the word they wanted, I have to put a comma where the backslash is. Comma, he never looks up. Okay, he never looks up. He is finished reading. Where does my backslash need to go? In between up and he. Now, they have until, and they have number 2. So is until going to be at the front of my rewriting of the sentence or at the where the backslash is? Where the backslash is. So I'm going to write he never looks, oops, gotta spell looks right, up. Now, since I'm replacing that backslash with the word, do I need any punctuation? No. So he never looks up until he is finished reading. Okay, number 3. I have worked very hard. I gave myself a treat. Between hard and I. Okay, they have since and one. So is that going to go at the beginning or at the backslash? Beginning. So since I had worked very hard, what comes next? Comma, I gave myself a treat. Sue walked along the shore. She collected tiny shells. Shore and she. Okay. They want as and number 1. So at the beginning or at the backslash? Beginning. So as Sue walked along the shore. Then I need a comma, right? She collected tiny shells. Okay, you guys are going to do number 5 for homework. You will be graded on your sentence fluency, where you place the connector, okay, to make it a complex sentence. Then also if you put in like the comma, if you would use it at the front instead of the backslash, okay. You also get counted for the backslash, okay, of putting it in, right? And then your sentences should be written underneath the sentences, just like I did, right? Okay, because otherwise, if you don't put them like that, then I start getting confused as to which one goes where, right? Okay, identify each kind of sentence by writing the abbreviation in the blank. So our team lost, but they played a good game. So we have the comma and we have but. So what kind of sentence is that? The compound sentence, right? I love to read. Consequently, I go to the library once a week. So we have those commas in there. The semicolon with the consequently, and the comma. So what is that? Compound sentence. The kids and I ordered toast, ham, and eggs. So we have the word and in this right here, and then we have kid. It's connecting kids and I. So it's a sentence with a compound subject. During the winter, when the cold wind blows. Pregnant. Okay, you guys are doing 10 and 11. Don't forget, if you need to, you might have to put things in a box or annoying things. Okay, next one. Let's see, number 12. James's shoes. Is it singular, plural, or singular? Okay. Rule number 1. So that means we're writing JAME''S and then shoes. Electrician's tool. Well, in this case, it's what? Plural. So it would be P, rule number 2. So, and then we're going to just add the apostrophe at the end. Okay, flowers, petals. So singular, plural. Plural. Rule number 2. So then we just add an apostrophe, correct? Okay, so singular possessive of goose. Goose is, right? So apostrophe S. And then what's the plural possessive of goose? Geese. So the geeses. Okay. Wife. What's the singular possessive? Wife. So wife with an apostrophe S. And then what's the plural possessive? Wives. Where does the apostrophe go? After the S. Axe. What's the singular possessive? AX apostrophe S. And what's the plural possessive? Okay, where does the apostrophe go? After the S. Okay, and then we're not going to do number 5. So you guys need to do 5, 10, and 11 for homework.